So in this video, now we'll try to learn how to count the number of any element that present in our list how many times. So we'll try to do that. So let's move to Visual Studio. So suppose here I can make it a two times, or I can make that C as well two times. And now we'll try to do that how to print. Okay. So what I will do, I will create that length and GTH length of L equals to L dot count. Okay, and count of what now I wanted to do first count of B. Okay, and now I will go ahead and try to do that print length of L. Okay, so when I will run it, now we got it 1 because B is there. Okay, so now if I go and run for A and run it, we got it 2. Similarly, if I run for C, we'll get it 2 as well. Okay, but suppose if I go ahead and run for suppose F, okay, because it's not present in this one, what we'll get? So we get it 0. Okay, so there will be no error if I go and run any letter, whatever not present, it will give us 0. Okay, and if it's present, it will give that count of that word. Okay, so I hope you understand how to get that count of that any element that present in that list. Thank you.